Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Grand Bend, a delightful town located on the shores of Lake Huron in Ontario. Grand Bend has a rich history that adds to its charm. Originally a small fishing village, it has grown into a popular tourist spot while still maintaining its cozy, small-town feel. The town's name comes from the Grand Bend in the nearby Ausable River, which was an important landmark for early settlers and traders. Over the years, Grand Bend has become famous for its lively beach culture, drawing visitors who come to enjoy the sun, sand, and a variety of water sports. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride around the town of Grand Bend, Ontario. It's a place where you can unwind, explore, and create wonderful memories.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!